Hey guys, Greg here with Collectiv, and today I want to talk to you about the significance of data accuracy when it comes to Power BI reports. So whether you're already on your Power BI journey, if you're trying to adopt it inside of your organization, or if you're simply just doing a proof of concept to see if it is the right tool for you, I can't stress enough how important data accuracy is when you're looking at this product. And that's because as soon as an organization looks at a report that you built for them, whether it's a finance report, a sales report, an inventory report, whatever it is, if they look at that report and they see that the data on there immediately is wrong, they're going to automatically think it's the tool's fault. Whether or not it's, it's not the tool. At the end of the day, it's the data behind the tool. And it's a quick way for them to start doubting that product, turn their heads, and not even consider it from here on out. So the one piece of advice I can give everyone here is before you present your reports to your management, to your executive level, always make sure that data is accurate, because the first thing that their mind goes to is this data correct? And it doesn't matter how many beautiful charts you have on there, how many, matrices, tables, pivot tables, what have you are on there, and how nice your report looks. If that data is wrong, they're immediately going to have distrust in it. And it's just going to make your life so much harder if you're implementing Power BI throughout your organization. So that's my advice for today, guys. If you have any questions, let me know. Curious to hear what you think in the comments below. And stay tuned for more videos like this one from the Collectiv crew.